We're also being joined by Amritanshi Joshi. Amritanshi, did the family of Raja suspect Sonam's role in the murder?
No, the family was also worried about Sonam, and constantly they were there in the Shillong city, and they were with the police, and they were also finding Sonam. Sonam's brother Vipin Raghuvanshi, he also had a conversation with CM and also CM of Madhya Pradesh Mohan Yadav, and apart from that, he had a conversation with all the big leaders, and he was constantly urging to the big leaders, to the police of Meghalaya and Shillong to find Sonam, because this couple went missing on 23rd of May. Some of the CCTV which we have seen, they were very normal, that they were going they were there for tourism, and the CCTV which was last seen, in which Sonam was seen in the white shirt. But the thing is that the white shirt of Sonam was found near the body of Raja Raghuvanshi, when where the body was inside. It was found inside the gorge, and Sonam's white shirt were there. So everyone was thinking that maybe Sonam was missing, Sonam was abducted by someone, and anything could happen with Sonam. And also, the family of Raja Raghuvanshi was constantly urging everyone that Sonam maybe was not safe, and that's why they were urging the police to find Sonam as soon as possible. But now the case has like twisted, because Sonam has been allegedly arrested. She's in the custody by the Gazipur police, and also it has been said that four more people are involved in this assassination. Apart from that, what we have seen in the CCTV footages, because they were those are very normal. Also, Sonam had a the last audio which we heard, that Sonam had a conversation with her mother-in-law. She was saying that they were. There at some tourist destinations, and they were okay at that time. But at that time also, that when the last conversation Sonam had with her mother-in-law, she only told that the phone of Raja Raghuvanshi was switched off. And when her mother-in-law asked that, please make me talk to Raja, but she denied, because she said that Raja is not here. He is very far away from me. Also, police was investigating from all the angles in this case, basically, because DGP only said that because Sonam was missing from 23rd of May, the body of Raja was found recently. They were doing all, they were connecting all the dots regarding the case, and there was a manhunt for Sonam also. But no one thought that Sonam would do this, because family of Raja Raghuvanshi was also constantly saying that they have been killed by some local people. They were looted. Raja Raghuvanshi was killed by some local people, because the weapon which was used for the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi was the weapon which is used by the local people for their work in Shillong and Meghalaya. And because now the information is coming in that apart from Sonam, also 3 to 4 people were involved, and they are also into custody. What was the motive behind the murder? Why did Sonam this? And what are the more details we'll be getting into some time. But this is the twist in this case, and the motive Sonam will be also, like, because she's into custody right now from the from Gazipur. The motive will be known, and we'll get the information very shortly. But because some of the dots which were connecting in the case regarding the CCTV footages, and also the last audio which Sonam and her mother-in-law were having a conversation. Maybe the police of Assam and sorry, the maybe the police of Shillong and Meghalaya were also having a doubt on Sonam, and that's why they were connecting the case, and that's why Sonam was allegedly arrested, taken into custody by the police in Gazipur. Yeah, back to you.
All right, Amritanshi, do stay with us. We also have Rijoy with us. Rijoy, what more details are we getting about the other accused who have been arrested apart from Sonam?
Well, they have been arrested from Gazipur, or Sonam has also been arrested from Gazipur. This whole scenario, this whole murder case has raised a lot of speculations. And apart from the arrest of Sonam, I think the Meghalaya police is on it, and Meghalaya police will seek custody of Sonam from Gazipur police. And after Sonam is there are possibilities, there are chances, we have, according to our sources, that Sonam will be brought back to Meghalaya for questioning, and Meghalaya Meghalaya police will ask for custody of Sonam. And this case is not only important for Meghalaya, but for the entire Northeast, because this case has shown the Northeast, shown the Meghalaya specifically in a very bad light. And as we know, Meghalaya is a tourist hub, and Meghalaya has been, the tourism in Meghalaya has been badly hit after this case. And so, and after the arrest of Sonam and all the perpetrators in this case, I think this situation, or that Meghalaya has been put under, it will be coming into a bright light. And also, this case has shaken the entire Northeast, as well as shaken the entire country, because initially there were many speculations and many angles. People were giving many angles, uh, in fact, the cops were sometimes suspecting that Sonam might be have kidnapped, and the case would have taken another turn. But ultimately, it has been now we have now we have known that Sonam is involved in this case, and we are actually waiting for the police to give us a brief, and and also we want to know, and in fact everyone wants to know the motive behind this action by Sonam.
Absolutely, Rejoy. Thank you so much for getting us all those details. We'll keep an eye on the story and get you all the latest updates.